Welcome to Tech Logics. In this video tutorial, we will introduce you to the Mini DC UPS, a versatile device designed to power wireless CPEs or access points that support PoE, with a voltage range of DC 9 to 24 volts. This handy UPS can also simultaneously power an IP camera. It's especially useful for applications like lifts or elevators, where frequent power outages are a concern. The lightweight design ensures that your devices remain powered during a power failure, providing a reliable backup solution. Let's dive into the details. Note, this UPS comes with a PoE port that has a switchable power supply feature. You can set the power output to either 12 volt or 24 volt depending on your device requirements. This flexibility allows you to connect various DC PoE-enabled devices such as access points or wireless bridges that operate within a voltage range of 9 volt to 24 volt. However, ensure that the current drawn by your device does not exceed 1.7 A, as this is the maximum rated current for the PoE port. Additionally, you can connect IP cameras directly to the UPS's DC output socket. Most IP cameras are designed to operate with a 12-volt DC supply, which makes this UPS a perfect backup power source during outages, ensuring your cameras remain operational. Important: before connecting any devices to the UPS, make sure to turn the UPS off. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical shorts, sparks, or potential damage to your devices or the UPS itself during setup. Once everything is properly connected and double-checked, you can power on the UPS to start supplying backup power to your devices. Since this demonstration video uses a DC 9-volt PoE-supported wireless CPE, we have selected the switch to DC 12-volt on the PoE output selector switch. This setting ensures proper power supply for the device during the demonstration while maintaining compatibility and safe operation. The following diagram illustrates how to connect the wireless device and IP camera to the DC UPS. To do so, first connect an Ethernet cable to the DC UPS PoE port. Then, connect the other end of the cable to your wireless device's PoE port. This setup enables the device to receive both data and power from the UPS. Please note that the maximum cable length for this connection is 30 meters to ensure proper power delivery and data transmission. And connect the IP camera's DC power cable to the UPS DC output port. Before connecting, ensure that the DC output voltage is set to 12 volt using the selector switch. Once confirmed, proceed with connecting the power cable to your IP camera. The DC power cable is included in the UPS package. Use this cable to connect your IP camera to the DC output port of the UPS. Before connecting, ensure that the output voltage is set to 12 volt using the selector switch for safe and proper power supply. Once the power connection is secure, proceed to connect an Ethernet cable between the DC UPS LAN port and the LAN port on your IP camera. This setup provides a stable communication link, enabling your camera to transmit video and data signals effectively. This connection not only powers the IP camera but also ensures continuous data transmission through the UPS. It allows the camera to maintain network connectivity and operate reliably during power outages, working seamlessly with the wireless CPE for effective remote monitoring. Finally, turn on the UPS to check the network connectivity of the CPE and IP camera. In this demonstration, the client, receiver, CPE is already connected to the access point. When the CPE powers up, it detects and picks up the Wi-Fi signal from the access point, establishing a network connection. This setup allows the IP camera to connect wirelessly within the local network using the DC UPS and wireless CPE. Even during a power outage, this system will continue to operate, thanks to the UPS's battery backup. The UPS is capable of providing power to the IP camera and CPE for up to 2 hours, ensuring that surveillance and network communication remain uninterrupted during power failures. If you found this video helpful, we sincerely appreciate your support. Your contributions enable us to create more informative content and continue providing valuable resources to our audience. Whether by liking the video, sharing it with others, or subscribing to our channel, every bit of support makes a meaningful difference. Thank you for being part of our community.